How to use Bing app AI image generator 2024. In this video, we're going to be discussing on Bing and how you can use its AI image generator. So to use that for yourself, simply go ahead and search up the AI image generator, which is the free AI image generator creator on Bing. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on it. Now, once we do that, you're going to make sure that you are logged in with your Bing account, and currently I am. So to create something, just go ahead and write in any prompt for yourself. So let's say I'm going to write bungee jumping on Mars from a UFO, write something like that. And let's go ahead and click on create. Now, once you click on create, that's a totally random prompt. And once you write in that prompt, as you can see, it says your image is being created by AI. So it goes ahead and loads things in, and look at this. How cool and how amazing does that look? The colorings they've used, the elements that they've used, the galaxy, how it looks, etc. It's absolutely incredible and it looks amazing. So basically, this is the main idea of how you're going to be using Bing App's AI image generator. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.